Welcome to the Daily Message. Today is the Feast of All Saints. Today is that day when we remember those very special people whose love, whose courage, whose compassion, whose ability to forgive, to make peace are exemplary for us. And we are grateful for all of those wonderful people, those saints who have gone before us and have modeled for us the Christian life. But the fact is, because of our faith, because of our call as Christians, each one of us is called to be a saint. Each one of us is called to holiness. Each one of us is called to move ever closer to God. And how do we do that? Well, I invite you to look at today's gospel. Jesus in this gospel gives us the Beatitudes. And this is, I would say, a roadmap to saintliness, a roadmap to holiness. When we are poor in spirit, when we mourn, when we are meek, when we hunger and thirst for righteousness, when we are merciful, when we are clean of heart, and when we make peace, and when we are persecuted for the sake of Jesus, for the sake of righteousness, then we become saints. And so as we reflect on the saints in heaven, as we reflect perhaps on our favorite saint, our patron saint, remember too that we are all called to sainthood by the way that we live our lives today. Thank you for watching and sharing this time with me, and have a great weekend.